Hey guys, hope everyone's okay. My name's Dean and I'm going to be making a short video to upload onto my YouTube channel and Facebook. Basically, I'm a video creator, if you like, that's the word for it, and I upload videos onto YouTube. And while I was out today, I got a parcel from YouTube. I kind of know what's in now, but I'll unbox it in a minute. I've had a YouTube channel now for several years on YouTube where I upload videos. My first video went viral with 24 million views. The next ones that followed on there created a few million views on each video too. And to date, if I look on my page, I have 51,218,785 views with 112,000 subscribers, and I believe this is an award from YouTube for hitting the milestone of 100,000 subscribers. So I'll unbox it now so we can have a look. The box is nice, it's been packaged well. So I've got a certificate on top and it says, "You have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person that has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged and entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance and probably a healthy sense of humour too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognise you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect." And there's a few more pieces underneath. So in the box they've sent me this lovely plaque and it says, "Presented to Dean Swirling for passing 100,000 subscribers." And I'm absolutely over the moon with it. I'd just like to thank you guys for watching, for subscribing, coming to my channel, sending me emails. I will be posting lots more videos on what I do. If you haven't been onto my channel, go to Dean Swirling YouTube and you'll see. And maybe I can hit 200,000 subscribers. I think they do a gold one as well. This is the silver one, and yeah, I'm sure they do a gold one if you hit the milestone, whatever it is. But yeah, I'm absolutely over the moon, and I just want to thank you guys, because without yous, I would have got this award. So thank you very much. you.